Did you know that it is possible to make money online? Yes, the only requirement is a computer or phone with internet access. So in this video, I'm going to show you 10 websites where you can actually start making extra money or, if you're serious, good money. Isn't that incredible? On some of these websites, it is possible to earn up to $100 per day or even more. And the best part is that you don't have to quit your 9-to-5 job to do so. You can earn this money in your spare time. There are two distinct methods of making money on the internet. The primary method is active income. With active income, it resembles a typical 9-to-5 job. You are only paid for the work you perform. Simply put, if you do not work, you do not earn money. The second method involves passive income. This is my preferred method because, with active income, all you have to do is put in the work once and, in theory, the money should continue to flow in without you having to do anything other than promote what you have created, or in some cases, what others have created. Number 1. Upworks.com. Upworks is a freelancer website. Through Upworks, you earn an active income. On Upwork, businesses and individuals post services they wish to outsource, such as article writing, video editing, app development, and coding. There are an abundance of jobs and services being outsourced on Upwork. The beauty of all of this is the low barrier to entry. All you need to do is excel at something. If you have a skill, such as graphic design, coding, or any other skill, you should head over to Upwork and begin earning money. If you are considering working on Upwork, it is recommended that you have a robust profile that looks good. This will significantly improve your chances of receiving job offers from prospective clients. Displaying your best work and emphasizing relevant experience will help you stand out. Number 2. YouTube. It is not widely known, but it is possible to earn money on YouTube. If you are considering making money on YouTube, you must understand one thing thoroughly. Due to the new rules, if you intend to launch a brand new YouTube channel from scratch, you must first reach YouTube's minimum monetization threshold. That is, you must have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers within the past year. Once you reach that number, you can begin monetization. How much can you earn on YouTube? Sincerely, as much as you desire. As long as you continue to upload content that people are willing to watch, you're in the money, and the longer the video, the more money you can anticipate earning. You can earn anywhere between $1 and hundreds of thousands of dollars. The more views you receive, the more money you can expect to make, and the more subscribers you will acquire. With YouTube, you earn passive income. Create a few videos, and they should continue to generate money on a consistent basis. You can also make money on YouTube through paid sponsorships, but you will need a large audience, typically at least 10,000 subscribers, to do so. You can also earn money through affiliate marketing, but we will discuss this later. Number 3. Amazon. Although Jeff Bezos began the company by selling books, Amazon now sells virtually everything imaginable. Amazon is not just a place to buy your favorite toys, you can actually make money on the site. And here are 3 ways to do so. Amazon MTurk is the first option. Similar to Upwork, MTurk allows businesses to outsource tasks that are too complex for a computer to perform, including audio editing and transcription, translation of audio and video from various languages, web page testing, and review writing, among numerous other services. You can earn between $20 and $30 per hour by performing a variety of tasks. This is a legitimate way to generate income, and they do pay. However, this is active income. The second method is Kindle publishing on Amazon. Create an ebook from your ideas and make money today. When you purchase an ebook from Amazon and the publisher make a profit, and you can too. The thing about Kindle publishing is, you must first sell a book. You can either write this book yourself or hire someone else to do so on your behalf. This does not require you to be an established author or to find a publishing company. You can actually start earning passive income from the convenience of your home. Sounds incredible, right? And the best part is that it is completely free. So sign up and begin earning money immediately. Amazon handles the money-related shenanigans, so you can sit back and relax on your couch while earning passive income. If you are truly interested in Kindle publishing, I strongly advise you to conduct additional research. You can find free videos and tutorials to teach you the fundamentals on YouTube. If you want expert advice, you may have to enroll in a course first. If you're interested, I'll include a link to a fantastic one in the description. Some individuals earn more than $100,000 from publishing Kindle ebooks on Amazon. Definitely a market to investigate. The third option is Amazon's affiliate program. This is a common and simple way to earn passive income. After signing up for the free Amazon Associates program, you can choose from the thousands of products Amazon sells on its website to promote. Amazon will provide you with a special link, and whenever someone makes a purchase through your link, Amazon will pay you a commission of 5 to 10% of the sale. Amazon will pay you 60 days after a purchase, and you can choose to be paid via Amazon gift cards, wire transfer to a bank account, although this is currently only available in the United States, or checks if you live outside the United States. Number 4. ClickBank. ClickBank is a marketplace where product creators and affiliates can sell their courses or services to the world and earn money online. ClickBank sells only digital products, but its commission payout is significantly higher than Amazon's. Keep in mind that some affiliates pay as much as 75% commission for selling their services, while others pay as little as 5%. Nevertheless, it is possible to earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars through ClickBank. Simply navigate to ClickBank, select an item to sell, and begin earning money. Number 5. Flippa.com. Flippa is the leading marketplace for the purchase and sale of online businesses. It attracts a massive audience and provides excellent tools for boosting visibility. It is an auction site for selling and purchasing digital assets such as websites, apps, domains, Shopify stores, and Amazon FBA accounts. If you are skilled at creating apps or websites, you can sell them online and make money. Or if you have some spare cash and are interested in purchasing websites, apps, or e-commerce stores that are already profitable, you can do so through Flippa. You place a bid, similar to eBay, and if your bid is the highest, congratulations, because you've just purchased an online business. Also profitable is the sale of online businesses. So that concludes your Flippa. Number 6. Shutterstock. Shutterstock is essentially a marketplace for buying and selling digital media, including images, music, and video clips. Primarily created by freelancers and third parties, so if you're particularly skilled at photography and videography, you may be able to upload stunning images and clips. Or extremely skilled at producing sick beats, you can monetize your talent on Shutterstock. When someone buys one of your photos through Shutterstock, you receive a commission ranging from a few cents to a few dollars, depending on your luck. Consistently uploading high-quality images is the key to generating a substantial income with Shutterstock. Number 7. Rover. Do you like pets? Dog in particular? If so, you should likely investigate Rover. Rover is a dog-sitting service, but it is only available in the United States and Canada at this time. Therefore, if you reside in either of these two countries, you can register as a dog sitter and get paid to watch dogs. You can earn between $80 and $100 per night by simply watching someone's dog. You can literally make hundreds of dollars per week by simply pet sitting. How about that for a bargain? Number 8. TakeLessons.com. Take Lessons is a website where any skill can be taught. Everyone has a skill they can teach, such as a language, how to cook, how to play an instrument, how to solve complex math problems, etc. You can give lessons on any topic that you believe someone else may not know and start earning money. Number 9. Fiverr. You have likely heard of Fiverr numerous times, as it is a simple and straightforward website for earning money. But if you haven't, it's a website where you can literally outsource anything, and I mean anything, for as little as $5, as long as it's legal. There are numerous ways to earn money on Fiverr, to name a few: animations, logo design, packaging design, web and mobile design, social media design, Photoshop editing, architecture and floor planning, 3D models and product design, t-shirts and merchandise, SEO, and so much more are all available. If something can be outsourced, it is likely to be available on Fiverr. Check out Fiverr. It is a legitimate means of making money. Number 10. Drop shipping. With drop shipping, you essentially sell someone else's goods for a small or substantial profit without handling the shipping. You are essentially acting as a broker or middleman. This can be accomplished by opening a Shopify store and integrating it with Oberlo. Oberlo is essentially an app that integrates with Shopify, and it is what many people use to find products to sell on their online stores. The fundamental principle of drop shipping is that you create a store or other channel through which people can purchase your products. Then, once the customer purchases an item from you, you pay the manufacturer, typically for a substantial discount, and have the manufacturer ship the item to the customer, all without you ever seeing the product or touching it. The best aspect of drop shipping is that you can set your own price for the product you wish to sell and then pay the manufacturer the difference. So yeah, that sums up drop shipping nicely. If you are interested in drop shipping, there are a plethora of tutorials on YouTube that will show you the step-by-step process of creating your store, locating products, advertising, locating influencers, and finally shipping and receiving payment. Drop shipping is a great way to make a ton of money, but it's a bit difficult to get started, especially at first. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and enable notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.